Good morning. Today I, Soumya Jha,
And I, Divyanka Keshri.
of St. Paul's School, Sasaram, Rohtash, Bihar, are here to present ourselves on the theme Innovation and Toys.
And our sub theme is mathematics for us.
So, mathematics is not about numbers, equations, computations, or algorithms. It is about understanding.
But why it is important to understand mathematics?
Because maths is everywhere, from buying household materials to rocket science. We need maths. But most of the students today run away from mathematics because they think that maths is full of problems. So, teaching it in a playful manner is of utmost importance. So, today we are here with our project Indian Mathography,
in which we will learn about mensuration and surface area with the help of an interesting story.
To understand it more easily, we will take the help of these toys because a toy a day keeps sadness away.
The material required are chart paper, doll, dry straw, cardboard, and clothes. The material that we use are eco-friendly and of low cost.
So, once upon a time, there was a person named Euclid who is today known as the father of geometry. So, he has two sons. The elder one was point and the younger one was line. So, one day Euclid said that he wanted to visit the land having infinite knowledge that is dominated by the people belonging to the oldest civilization. I want to visit the land of intellectuals and the mother of all democracies, India, for one whole year. But he further said that the Holy Land has diverse culture, which has diverse culture linked to deep-rooted spirituality, also has diverse climatic conditions. So I want you both to once visit the divine land and make four different houses at different climatic conditions. But there is stipulation: the four houses should be made of the same surface area, that is 4,000 meters square.
Point and line agree. But they thought making houses of same surface area is a difficult task. So they consulted Archimedes,
who is today known as the father of measurement.
They told Archimedes about their task and requested him to travel along with them to India.
At that time, the only way they were knowing to visit India was the ship route. So, starting their journey from Egypt, they arrived Kerala.
When they arrived Kerala, they got to know that Kerala has harsh tropical summer and very humid climate. When they consulted with the people of Kerala, they asked that what kind of houses they should make.
People told them that they should construct their houses in the same way in which the natives construct Nalukettu, that is the traditional style of making houses of Kerala by the Vedic techniques.
Now, they started their construction. Firstly, they make a quadrilateral of opposite sides equal and parallel and each of the angle 90 degree, which concluded the formation of a rectangle.
Then they took such six rectangular faces which concluded to the formation of a cuboid, and it was having 12 edges and 8 vertices.
So they found out the area of cuboid by multiplying length into breadth of ceiling and roof, multiplying breadth into height of opposite walls and multiplying length into height of another two opposite walls.
So by this process, the area of this cuboid was 1500 meters square.
Now they take another quadrilateral whose one pair of parallel side is parallel and another pair is non-parallel.
So they calculated surface area by 1 by 2 into height into the sum of parallel sides, and it was 300 meters square. Then they took other cuboids and trapeziums and calculated its surface area, and the surface area of the total house was 4,000 meters square.
Now they moved to Rajasthan, where they found that climate is extremely harsh. So when they asked for the people of Kerala, they got to know that people live in circular huts. So firstly, he made a cylindrical shape who is closed from the bottom, and he find out the area of the cylindrical base by the formula 2 pi rh plus pi r square, which is equal to 3000 meters square. Now we take a cone for the roof and the area of roof is 1000 meters square by the formula pi into radius into length. The total area of the house is 4000 meters square.
Then they moved to Kashmir, where they found the climate to be exactly opposite to that of the Rajasthan. The climate was extremely cold. So the house was which was constructed by them was first they took a cuboid, and its surface area was, you can see that it is 2200 meters square, and it was calculated by 2 into length into breadth plus 2 into length into height plus 2 into breadth into height minus length into breadth, because they have subtracted the length into breadth of that rectangular roof, and then they calculated the triangular part of this house, and it was calculated by 1 by 2 into base into height, and it was 150 meters square each. Then they calculated the surface area of the sloped roof, which was made for sliding down of the snow at the time of heavy winters, and it was calculated by the taking a quadrilateral that was having opposite sides equal and parallel, and it was calculated by multiplying its base into height, and it was 750 meters square each. So the total surface area of the whole house was 4,000 meters square.
Now they moved to lower altitude of Arunachal Pradesh, which received heavy rainfall, and because of this, houses are made on stilts. So firstly, they find out the area of cubite by the formula 2 into length into height plus 2 into breadth into height plus length into height, which is 2200 meters square. Now they find out the area of that triangle, which is 150 meters square. There is another triangle on the back side, so the total area of triangular part is 300 meters square. And they find out the area of the roof by formula base into height, which is equal to
and it was equal to 750 meters square.
So the total area of house concluded to be 4,000 meters square.
Then they took rest of 2 nights there at the Arunachal Pradesh and went back to Egypt through the ship route. Point on land thanked Archimedes and told Euclid that his house has been made on the land having infinite knowledge. And then with this story, the students who think that mathematics is a problem will get to know that mathematics gives us hope that every problem has a solution. With these toys, one can playfully understand that how to measure and calculate the surface area of different 2D as well as 3D shapes. In addition, we also got to know about the different climatic conditions of different parts of our motherland, India.
Thank you.
Thank you.